My name's Alex Nippert, General Manager at GoRight. I started on the shop floor as an apprentice. I already had some experience as an apprentice. I got my license, I worked in the shop, I worked mobile. From there I got an opportunity to work in the office and do work orders, dispatch mobile techs, deal with customers. Got involved in the fleet maintenance side, tracking, their preventive maintenance and stuff like that.
For me, my growth strategy came through GoRight. Like I said, when I was young, I worked in the shop. I was an apprentice technician working with a lot of the guys that still work here. Some of the guys I work with are now CSMs, shop managers, service managers, parts managers, and working with those guys really helped me understand the industry.
When I started in the shop, I always knew that I wanted to do something more, or get into management. I would communicate that so my managers or my bosses knew. Then they would come to me with opportunities to move around, like move from the shop to mobile, or from the mobile into dispatch. When opportunities came up, they were there for me.
The growth program for GoRight, I think, is amazing. I think it's really going to give an opportunity for technicians and parts personnel and anybody in the business that wants to grow and learn. It's going to give them the tools to drive through. My growth was organic through the business, but I think it's going to give more of a streamlined process that's visible and allow them to set a goal and achieve it. I think that's really going to be important for some of the folks that are either starting out or at a position where they want to move ahead. So I think that's really going to be important for the team, for the company, and for the individuals.
The training program now is for the positions in the company where it identifies maybe the next step in your path. And we've also identified the things that we can do to train, or the things that you can do on your end to work towards to get to that next step in the path, so that when the opportunity comes up, you're ready for it.
Other things would be opportunity. So I touched on that a little bit earlier, but looking at opportunities within the business. So the cross-functional team we have, we've got things from sales to service to parts to fleet solutions to being a CSM. There's so much opportunity here.
The way the company's growing too, and for somebody that wants to come here and advance their career, the opportunities are just coming, and the way that we're building this foundation to train people and get them ready for these opportunities, I think, is a great reason to come to the company.